Race 6 was official and not.
Here comes Smitty for race 7. And they're off. Out in front. 3, 1, 4, 7, 6, 8, 2, and 5. As they go around the first turn. 3 has the lead following the 8, 1, and 2. As they go into the backstretch, 3 has the lead following the 8, 1, 5, 2, 4, 7, and 6. Now they're going around that final turn. 8 has the lead following the 1, 3, and 5. As they go into the wire, it's going to be 8, 1, 5, 2. Here's Smitty for race 8. And they're off. Out in front. 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 7, 4, and 8. As the Greyhound goes into the first turn. 2 has the lead following the 3, 7, and 1. As they go into the backstretch, 2 has the lead following the 3, 7, 1, 6, 8, 4, and 5. As they go around that 4 turn, 2 has the lead following the 3, 8, and 7. As they get ready to go into the wire, it's going to be 2, 8, 3, 7. Is active. 50 cents trifecta, 10 cents super faded wagering. Here comes Smitty for that 9th race. And they're off out in front. 4, 7, 1, 6, 2, 8, 3, and 5. As the Greyhound goes around the first turn, 4 has the lead following the 1, 7, and 6. As they go into the backstretch, 4 has the mighty lead following the 1, 7, 6, 8, 5, 2, and 3. As they going around the 4 turn, 2 has the mighty lead following the 7, 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, and 3. Here's Smitty for race 10. And they're off out in front. 2, 1, 7, 3, 8, 6, and 5. As they go into the first turn. 2 has the lead following the 1, 3, and 7. Now they're in the backstretch. 2 has the lead following the 1, 3, 7, 6, 8, and 5. As they're going around the far turn. 2 has the lead following the 3, 1, and 6. As they get ready to go into the wire, it's going to be 3, 2, 1, 6. Five minutes. Here's Speedy for race number 11. And they're off out in front. 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 6, and 7. As they going around the first turn. 3 has the lead following the 4, 2, and 5. As they go into the backstretch, 2 has the lead following the 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, and 3. Now they're going around that 4 turn. 2 has the lead following the 7, 5, and 4. As they get ready to go into the wire, it's going to be 2, 7, 5, 6. Here's Smitty for race 12. They're off. 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 6, 7, and 8. As the Greyhound gets ready to go into the first turn. 5 has the lead, following the 2, 1, and 7. As they go into the backstretch, 5 has the lead, following the 2, 7, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8. As the Greyhound go around the far turn, 5 has the lead, following the 2, 1, 3, and 7. As they get ready to go into the wire, it's going to be 3, 5, 2, 1.